What are we cooking today, Joyce?
We're making spring roll. I like the smaller one. Chicken and shrimp. And I have bean sprout and mushroom. So let's marinate the chicken first. I already cut it, like half a spoon. Just a pinch of cornstarch. And then little dark soy. We should cook the filling first because you need to cool down. I think this is too much, better than not enough. I'm Chinese. It's always too much food. This is bean sprout. Don't like the head, that's why I pinch it. If you want to drain it.
Can you eat it like that, or you have to cook it?
I cook it. Some people eat it like this, but I don't like the taste of it. Put a little oil, like 1 tablespoon. I prep the shrimp already. I save one, then I show you how to do it. Since I'm going to cut up, that's why I don't devein it.
Oh, really?
Hey, you just think that it's difficult.
Usually on camera, though, it's not that easy.
Sometimes the vein is not much because maybe the shrimp is hungry. I want the shrimp to be big, that's why I'm cutting it bigger.
Jumbo shrimp?
Yeah, jumbo shrimp. I think 16-20. Little oil. I do things because when I was a kid, I saw how they do it.
You just have to see it once, Joyce, and you know how to do it?
Maybe. This is the vegetable board. The other one is the meat board. Shiitake mushroom. We cut it really thin because easier to cook. Mushroom and the bean sprout will have a lot of water. That's why we're going to cook this first. Cook this salt.
That absorbs all the oil, right, Joyce?
Yeah, might not be enough
They shrink
oil.
too, right, Joyce?
No, this shrink a lot. It looked like I should put some more oil, but I don't want to because the filling, I don't want to be so greasy. The spring roll is already going to be deep fried. So little now. It's not even finished cooking. It doesn't look like it's cooked full and full. It should be more like translucent. Also for mushroom, you cannot overcook it. I thought it was so much, back off a little. I'm going to put the bean flour in it. This is a lot of water. This doesn't take long to cook. Also, that you don't want to cook the bean flour too much, then it becomes mushy. It's not crunchy. And people put carrot in it, but I don't like carrot.
Doesn't it make it more colorful?
It all go to the same place.
Yeah.
I'm going to pick it out, then I'm going to cook the chicken. No food already. I love to eat it like this. Simple. I think it's going to be too much filling. We can eat it on the side.
Okay.
With a little ginger in the chicken. Maybe half a tablespoon. The wok is getting hot. This is my splash. Colvin standing in New Jersey. Let it cook a little bit before you flip it. You don't need to cook this like 100%. Because it's going to be wrapped and then deep fried. Spread it out and let it cook a little, and then put the shrimp in it. Okay, I'm going to put whole shrimp in it. I'll put it in the middle. Shrimp doesn't take that long to cook. You can tell this is very good. Maybe not enough shrimp, huh?
Maybe.
Just make a good dish to begin with. I cannot give you a piece because I don't think it's 100% cooked.
Okay.
See, you can tell the shrimp is turning color already, right?
Yeah.
And then,
2 minutes.
yeah. And then I'm going to dunk this in. Can even turn off the heat. Maybe one good thing about electrical burner is it doesn't turn it off completely. Different tool, different temperament. Okay, I'm going to let it cool. I don't know the difference between spring roll and egg roll.
I think egg rolls thicker and bigger.
I'm going to deep fry the spring roll, and I'm going to stop the oil.
Vegetable oil?
Yeah.
It has to be completely covered?
Pretty much, yes. But I cannot use a too small of a pot because it's long enough for the spring roll. See, everything within reach.
But it has to be cold, right?
It cannot be too cold. Like I like this because it's thinner, less carb. This might be too much filling. Should be tight. Put. Maybe it should be less filling. But Colvin like it with more filling.
Yeah.
See? Not bad, right?
Mm-hmm.
Make sure this is sealed. And then I keep on doing it and then put it in the oil. Then we can have dinner. Colvin's hungry. He said,
Yeah.
almost good enough. We can
Fine,
start.
Joyce. Put it all in there.
Whoa.
See, it's hot.
Yeah, I know. I should get a chopstick to do it. Instead of me doing it.
So you don't have to turn it, right, Joyce?
Yeah, we'll have to turn it, but don't overcrowd it because obviously it might stick together, but it's not perfect. Then give it 2 minutes, then I can flip it. Because basically the inside is cooked, you just basically cooking this outside. Okay, let's talk about the dipping sauce. Very simple. I started already.
Looks good,
Ginger.
Joyce.
Anything with vinegar is good. Red vinegar and Japanese vinegar. I'm going to put some honey in it, and that's the dipping sauce. And then I'm going to use duck sauce. That's like a double dipping sauce.
Oh.
And then the duck sauce. I love duck sauce. Cool, so that's not enough. I'm going to do something crazy.
Oh, fancy, Joyce.
Look pretty, right? Okay, we're going to check. Also, that when you take it out, it's going to be brown. I'm going to turn it. Put paper towel for the excess oil.
It's ready.
You look ready. Because also they're going to get darker when you come out.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. When you fry things, that's what happens. See that it look darker already. Okay, side by side. Colvin, like the bowl getting smaller and smaller.
Yeah.
No, but I need to put 2 of them side by side. Picture time.